Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to do a orb slimy review. This is the metallic one. And before we get on with the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get every single video that I post. Now let's get on with the video. Okay. So, this is the slime. It's a metallic slime. Yeah, see? Metallic slime. Super duper 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 stretchy. Let's see if it'll make bubbles. Might not might. Let's try. It's not like those regular slimes where you can just like stretch it. Well, it can, I'm pretty sure.
Look up.
Okay. Well, I guess it can't. It doesn't make crackling noises. See if it'll make a good slime swirl. Okay. Have my slime swirl. There it is. There it is from the side. Sorry guys, sorry about the movement. You can tell it doesn't crackle. Very, very, very shimmery. Blue, baby blue actually. So now I'm going to actually tell y'all what they need to change on the packaging and nothing with this, well, a few things with the slime. Oh, it also doesn't click. So, one thing is that this actual slime is different than the picture slime on here. Sorry, that was my sister. On here, that's green, that's blue. They need to make that the exact same color as the actual slime in it. And when you put the slime in, oh, also the sticker doesn't even go all the way around. It ends right there. And it doesn't even fill up the entire container. Like, no. And they need to change the face on the little guy stretching the slime. He looks like he has to pull it super hard to stretch it. No, you don't. And one thing they need to also change the clickiness. And they need to make it even more metallic. And this where it just rips. And so that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. And if you don't, then that's okay. Bye.